young and fragile, like a bird in the sky. And I'm old like gravel, I've been kicked around too many times. I'd never hurt you if I could, so you let your guard down. You're like a glass of wine that's clouding up my mind. Oh, you captivate me, oh, you captivate me. And I'm getting lost in the beautiful prison in your eyes. Oh, you captivate me, oh, you captivate me. And if you let me, I'd love to come on in and stay a while. I looked at you, you smiled at me, and then I know that there is something more to this than we. 'Cause I just got out, you've never been, so let's start over and let love begin. Oh, you captivate me, oh, you captivate me. And I'm getting lost in the beautiful prison in your eyes. Oh, you captivate me, oh, you captivate me. And if you let me, I'd love to come on in and stay a while. Oh, you captivate me. I'd love to come on in and stay a while.
One, two, three, let me see what you see. I just wanna understand what you see in me. And 4, 5, 6, am I complicating it? How could anybody love someone so damaged? And we don't always add up, but somehow we're always enough. 7, 8, 9, 10, baby, here we go again. If this is just a fraction of what lies ahead, then count me in, 'cause you know I'm loving this, I'm loving this. You make me feel even though I'm odd. Subtract what's left and carry my heart. Believe in what we got. Pay no attention what you've been taught. You plus love plus me. 1 plus 1 makes 3. How can this be? You and me make a prime number. I see that smirk, guess you better check my work, 'cause the way you got me feeling is a little bit blurred. So leaning close, nobody needs to know. Baby, they're all square and I have got them curves. Oh, we don't always add up, no, but somehow we're always enough. You make me feel even though I'm odd. Subtract what's left and carry my heart. Believe in what we got. Pay no attention what you've been taught. taste your kiss again. Tell me this is not the end for us, for us. Hey, can you hear me wherever you are? I'm praying to angels and wishing on stars that we'll find each other no matter how far. 'Cause 5,000 miles is breaking my heart. To take the blame, we'll make it through this distant space somehow, someday. Hey, can you hear me wherever you are? I'm praying to angels and wishing on stars that we'll find each other no matter how far. 'Cause 5,000 miles is breaking my heart. More than just your voice on the other end of the telephone. Ooh, I hate goodbyes. I need your touch that lets me know you're holding me and you never let go. No, not this time. Hey, can you hear me wherever you are? I'm praying to angels